Starting your day with a healthy breakfast can set the tone for a productive and energized day. However, busy mornings often leave little time for preparing a nutritious meal. Fear not, because with a bit of creativity and planning, you can whip up a healthy breakfast in just 5 minutes. Here are some quick and delicious breakfast ideas that are both nutritious and easy to prepare. Smoothie bowls are a great way to pack in a lot of nutrients quickly. They are versatile and can be customized with your favorite fruits, vegetables, and toppings. To create a delicious and nutritious smoothie bowl, gather 1 cup frozen mixed berries, 1 banana, half a cup Greek yogurt, half a cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, and 1 tablespoon honey. Honey is optional. Let's get started with our delicious recipe. Combine the frozen berries, banana, Greek yogurt, and almond milk in a blender. Blend until smooth. Pour the smoothie into a bowl and sprinkle chia seeds on top. Add additional toppings such as granola, sliced almonds, or fresh fruit. Talking about the health benefits of smoothie bowls, they are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, and they provide a good balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Avocado toast is a trendy and nutritious breakfast option that you can make in no time. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and various essential nutrients. To start crafting this delicious recipe, gather 1 ripe avocado, 2 slices whole grain bread, salt and pepper to taste. You can also add some toppings which are completely optional like cherry tomatoes, radishes, arugula, poached egg. Get your ingredients ready and follow along with these easy instructions to whip up a fantastic dish in no time. Toast the whole grain bread to your desired level of crispiness. While the bread is toasting, mash the avocado in a bowl. Spread the mashed avocado evenly on the toasted bread. Sprinkle with salt and pepper. Add any optional toppings if desired. There are several health benefits of avocado toast. It provides healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. Overnight oats are the perfect grab-and-go breakfast. You can prepare them the night before, and they are ready to eat in the morning. To begin this recipe, you'll need ingredients like half a cup rolled oats, half a cup milk, dairy or plant-based, a quarter cup Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, and half a cup fresh fruits like berries, banana slices, etc. Join me in the kitchen as we go through each step to make this mouth-watering recipe together. In a jar or container, combine the rolled oats, milk, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and honey or maple syrup. Stir well to combine. Add the fresh fruit on top. Cover and refrigerate overnight. Overnight oats are a great source of fiber, protein, and complex carbohydrates, which help keep you full and energized throughout the morning. Greek yogurt parfaits are a delicious and nutritious breakfast that you can assemble in minutes. They are high in protein and can be customized with your favorite fruits and nuts. To create a delicious and nutritious Greek yogurt parfait, gather 1 cup Greek yogurt, half a cup granola, half a cup mixed berries, and 1 tablespoon honey. Let's get started with our delicious recipe. In a glass or bowl, layer the Greek yogurt, granola, and mixed berries. Drizzle with honey. Repeat the layers if desired. Talking about the health benefits of Greek yogurt parfaits, they provide a good balance of protein, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a healthy and satisfying breakfast option. Egg muffins are a convenient and protein-packed breakfast that you can prepare ahead of time and enjoy throughout the week. To start crafting this delicious recipe, gather 6 eggs, half a cup diced bell peppers, half a cup spinach, chopped, a quarter cup feta cheese, and salt and pepper to taste. Get your ingredients ready and follow along with these easy instructions to whip up a fantastic dish in no time. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, whisk the eggs and add the diced bell peppers, spinach, and feta cheese. Season with salt and pepper. Pour the mixture into a greased muffin tin, filling each cup about 3/4 full. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the egg muffins are set. Let them cool slightly before removing from the tin. There are several health benefits of egg muffins. They are high in protein and can be customized with various vegetables and cheeses to suit your taste. Peanut butter banana toast is a quick and delicious breakfast option that combines whole grains, protein, and healthy fats. To begin this recipe, you'll need ingredients like 2 slices whole grain bread, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, 1 banana, sliced, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Use of cinnamon is optional. Join me in the kitchen as we go through each step to make this mouth-watering recipe together. Toast the whole grain bread. Spread the peanut butter evenly on each slice. Arrange the banana slices on top of the peanut butter. Sprinkle with cinnamon if desired. This breakfast provides a good balance of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates, along with potassium from the banana. Chia seed pudding is a healthy and easy-to-make breakfast that you can prepare the night before. To start crafting this delicious recipe, gather a 1/4 cup chia seeds, 1 cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, and fresh fruit for topping. Let's get started with our delicious recipe. In a bowl or jar, mix the chia seeds, almond milk, honey or maple syrup, and vanilla extract. Stir well to combine. Cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or overnight. In the morning, give it a good stir and top with fresh fruit. Talking about the health benefits of chia seed pudding, it is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, making it a nutritious and filling breakfast. Cottage cheese with fruit is a simple and protein-packed breakfast that requires no cooking. To create a delicious and nutritious dish, gather 1 cup cottage cheese, 1/2 cup pineapple chunks, a 1/4 cup blueberries, and 1 tablespoon honey. Use of honey is optional. Get your ingredients ready and follow along with these easy instructions to whip up a fantastic dish in no time. Scoop the cottage cheese into a bowl. Top with pineapple chunks and blueberries. Drizzle with honey if desired. Talking about the health benefits of cottage cheese, it is high in protein and calcium, while the fruit adds natural sweetness and vitamins. Whole grain cereal is a quick and easy breakfast option that can be both nutritious and satisfying. To begin this recipe, you'll need ingredients like 1 cup whole grain cereal, 1 cup milk, dairy or plant-based. Fresh fruit for topping, optional. Join me in the kitchen as we go through each step to make this mouth-watering recipe together. Pour the whole grain cereal into a bowl. Add the milk. Top with fresh fruit if desired. Whole grain cereal provides fiber and essential nutrients, and pairing it with milk adds protein and calcium. A breakfast wrap is a versatile and portable breakfast option that you can customize with your favorite fillings. To start crafting this delicious recipe, gather 1 whole grain tortilla, 2 scrambled eggs, a 1/4 cup shredded cheese, a 1/4 cup diced tomatoes, 1/4 avocado, sliced, and salsa. Using salsa is optional. Let's get started with our delicious recipe. Scramble the eggs in a non-stick skillet. Place the scrambled eggs in the center of the tortilla. Sprinkle with shredded cheese, diced tomatoes, and avocado slices. Add a spoonful of salsa if desired. Roll up the tortilla, folding in the sides to secure the filling. Breakfast wraps are high in protein and can include various vegetables for added fiber and nutrients. These 5-minute healthy breakfast ideas prove that you don't need a lot of time to enjoy a nutritious and satisfying meal in the morning. By incorporating these quick and easy recipes into your routine, you can start your day off right and maintain energy and focus throughout the day. Whether you prefer something sweet or savory, there's a breakfast option here that will suit your taste and keep you fueled until lunchtime. Remember, a healthy breakfast doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming.